So I actually shorted right here for the breakdown. This is 164s. I scaled down the positions here because of the gap fill close, and now it seems it found support at pivot point with volume spike, which might lead to temporary reversal, but I'm still holding two lots for a potential move to down to 100s level. So what happened today is that price consolidated in a very tight range above and below intraday psychological level 200s, then retested it and found resistance at the consolidation range lows. Then at the European cash open, rallied back up to days open price and found resistance and immediately sold off below the last support level of the previous consolidation range, then sold off and found support at the pivot point of the day. Now it kind of found support here with a fake down of previous low, both with volume spikes above 500s, and here is my position short, and I scaled it out in this kind of blue arrows. Then I shorted here one lot and I bought it back here, and then I'm holding one more lot for a possible more downside move, which I would like to hold it below 10,100 if this level fails. So I actually tried to short it one more lot here, but I actually closed the position up here because I see this kind of support and probably will move to the upside. Then I will try to short it up here if it goes. I actually bought it up here to 53s for a potential breakout, but not sure if it will do that. It would probably be a fake out move. So that it seems that it was a fake out, and I just shorted it again aggressively here. Hopefully I will take this target here and then for a retest, last target for a retest of 10,100 level. So probably after this fake out move could be a breakdown move. So price did broke down as expected from this kind of fake out at 50s. Then I'm still holding one lot, and I would like to see how price will behave, let's say here at 10,100s, then at support 1, and then at previous day's lows. So hopefully I would like to hold this position for more downside, but then I will act accordingly to the price action. So once again here, like yesterday's session, price found support above but not on 10,100s in intraday psychological level. So probably now price will broke down and then move back above. This is what used to happen. Let's see if this time will happen. And this upon, as I was saying earlier, which holding above or probably will break the downside, is exactly at the same level like yesterday, which broke it down. So let's see if today, if this 10,110 level will just hold to the upside or just fail and go more downside. So I will actually close the whole position now.
Target filled.
Because what happens is that it did broke down as I was expecting, but it didn't broke down straight away 10,100 plus. Volume spiked here when the price was selling down. So that means that we can expect a possible move to the upside, let's say, which I would not like to participate. So hopefully I will trade again at the European session unless something very clear and profound happens. So I actually shorted again, not again, I actually shorted here at the resistance 1 and resistance of initial balance high, days open price, and 10,200 intraday psychological level, and hopefully I will try to capture this kind of bigger move to the downside, but then I would like to see how the price will behave here at the equilibrium line and then at pivot point of the day. So actually I was keep shorting here until I was stopped out, then I couldn't even finish to place my targets a little bit above and price just spiked, so hopefully I would like to hold this position around 154s or let's say 300s to be very optimistic, because now inside days of previous days highs broke out, and that means that price might aggressively go rallies back up, so hopefully we'll see. So this is the daily chart. This is what I'm talking about, the inside days. I mean, this kind of resistance here now broke, and price will probably go to retest, say, this 330s level initially. So actually bought some more, and I would like to place my first target here and then the second one if the price goes back up, but again could pull back and find support here at 200 level and then goes back up. But looks like all people which were short got stopped out here, so probably see more aggressive moves. So I will actually manually close on contract
Order cancelled. Order cancelled.
and then leave the rest for a potential upside move up to 300s, but then needs to see how it will behave at this area, which is resistance 2 and 50s intraday psychological level. I'm just actually gonna close the whole position here,
Target filled.
because kinds of consolidates here with volume spikes, which might mean we need to wait for a pullback, and then I will try to buy it back here if this holds. So let's kind of summarize here. We're 5 minutes before, 10 minutes before US cash open. So price initially failed and found resistance up to 10,200s, then sold off and found support at previous low with volume spike and at initial balance low, then rallied all the way up to 2000 to 10,000, above 10,200s, held support at 20s, then held support at 40s, and now is trying to break out, and what I would like to see is to rally up here to 10,300 and then fail, and I will probably try to short it up there in order to capture a potential down move. I actually bought at 50s level for a potential breakout to the upside, and then I will look if I will short here or just hold the position. So first target met, here is the second and third target. If the second target filled, I will just try to hold this third target for a potential very aggressive upside move. So actually scaled out the rest of the position, the rest 1/3 of the position here, and then I will leave the first lot, the one lot, for a potential very big upside move. So the position found resistance here at 70s, and I just kind of stopped out in break even for the last lot. What I would like to see now is to price to go down to 10,200s and find support there, and I will probably look to buy it back in order to take advantage of the potential reversal. I actually bought it right here just in case, because I saw a sharp down move to the downside and then a volume spike right here above 500s, This probably might be a temporary upside move, but then we'll see how it will behave.
Order cancelled.
SPY now found support at 203, so hopefully if SPY holds, this level will hold and then we'll have a big move to the upside. So here are my targets, two quick targets up to 59s and then the last one for up to 300s if price goes there. So actually just close the position because I see SPY breaking down 203s, and if this breakdown move is real and not fake down, DAX probably go down to retest 200s. I'm just taking it to short it right here
Order filled.
in order to take advantage of potential down move. So let's say against 50s, and hopefully I will buy it back here. Okay, so I just bought it back at 49s for a potential upside move because SPY's faked down 203s, which means that found support at 203s and now is rallying back up above. So hopefully if SPY's rallies up to 204s, then I will capture both and the three of my targets. So again, I just closed my position and I shorted against 50s for potential move to the downside because I see this kind of resistance holding right here. So here are my targets, but of course I will not just keep doing that if the price just consolidates right here. So just short it again right here because this kind of previous support at 20s held, but then again here at 40s failed and found resistance. So SPY is making new lows right now. So hopefully I will capture a more downside move. So I actually closed the position again. I'm now flat because I'm not happy holding position in this kind of levels with entry this kind of levels because there's no clear and big and straight away direction, and so hopefully I would like to see what's gonna happen in 200s level, and then again I might not trade anything else. So actually bought this flash down move to close to 200s. This is what I'm planning to do, is to take first two targets with a first bounce back and then hopefully hold the rest of position up to 94s, 300s, if price gets there of course. So here is the judgment time. I just bought, I tried to buy as close as possible to 200s, then price immediately rallied back up, and this kind of formation which hopefully will go back up down, hopefully up to 300s, but this will depend now because SPY is fighting to find support or hold resistance above 203, so hopefully we'll see how this goes. So we'll just close the whole position right here. I don't know the reason about euro dollar spiking, so this kind of potential upside move was captured about the half, let's say. So if this support at 30s holds, then we'll probably go to retest this kind of high. So actually DAX found support here at 10s, kind of where I bought initially there, and SPY broke out aggressively 203s. So it looks like it will retest 204s or in intraday highs. So I think that's it for today. If you would like to see more of this kind of videos of how I behave during market hours and how I see price action and perceive price action, please subscribe to the channel or just watch for the uploading videos. Thanks for watching.